Well, good morning, YouTube. In the last video, I said I had a little bit of a surprise for you. Well, look what the wind blew over.
Surprise! I'm back.
Yeah. And he brought his bus. So we've got me, Badge, Dean, Wes Lewis, Wonderbus. Only missed a couple, but
Jax.
Wander Boom. Wander Boom.
We got this guy, Wander Boom. What did I say, Bus? Sorry. And the plan is, this young man is going to sit in a chair. We're going to duct tape him down, and then we're going to get this bus so it's livable. That way he can go back to making entertaining videos instead of the boring, well, I haven't quite done this shit yet. I love this guy.
I love you too. Thanks for having me out here.
So when he last left Jax, since then, the cabinet doors got put on, and the drawers. When you first look at it, you go, how do I open this? It's got a lock. That looks beautiful, so when he's driving, all this stuff doesn't spill out on the floor.
They're also soft close.
Oh yeah, soft close.
And then this is the knob and the lock. So that's in the lock position. You still gotta put a little glue or something on there. And then these ones have these double holder things.
All right.
So I'm not really sure anything would ever open all of these things, but just a little extra
I like it.
support. And then this is where the fridge goes. We don't know if this is actually going to work because we kind of drilled out part of the, you know, the seam there. But this is where the 100 pounds of food and fridge will go. So we're hoping that this is going to hold up. Yep. But we don't know.
And we haven't wired that yet. I just remembered.
Yeah. Well, we also need to vent it, so we got to cut out some holes on the side for the heat.
So some tweaking.
A couple little tweaks.
But yeah.
But I like it so far. It's pretty awesome.
Yep. Great spot right next to the stove for all your cooking utensils.
Yep.
And so
now,
now,
lock it up and it'll never fly open.
When the Magnificent Seven gets going on this, Neil and forget who, probably I'm going to get roped in, doing a lot of the electric over here, and I'm going to be working on neatening up the other end. So, yeehaw!
What is that you're doing over there, Steve?
I'm back to messing with damn wires. Yeah, there's a couple wires I didn't mark the last time. All of this mess is already marked with things like some switch, or this is the three-way switch, hall light switch, hall light power, stuff like that.
So at least they're marked.
Most of them, these are all marked as to where they go.
This is the cleanup.
Didn't mark power to the backup camera.
We should burn the whole bus down now then.
So
if you didn't mark the backup camera, it's over.
So what you doing out here, Dean?
I'm working on shore power. Even though he'll probably never be plugged into shore power ever. Gotta make sure he has it. He says probably not from in there.
All right. So in case you haven't caught on yet, to get the full story of this, there's Dean's channel, mine channel, Neil's channel, Jax's channel, I suppose will have something.
Channel 2 News.
Channel 2 News.
I don't have a channel. I'm using yours and Dean's and Jax's and Neil's.
Every group has an agitator.
That's me.
That's him.
He's the most famous.
So now we're at the stage where we've got the entry, working on that, getting that closed in, getting the bench closed in, and the real brain trust is going on back here. where Jax is getting a so complicated solar system that you'll never understand it.
Okay, so we have to pull that panel to get.
So while Jax has run off in search of food for us, we hot-wired his lights. We aren't sure if we're going to tell him about them yet, but
I don't think we should tell him. Tell him we got it finished. I'll be surprised.
So we're getting there. So we let him back in the bus.
I escaped, just like Houdini.
Oh, which way? Sorry.
And
Trying to work here, Steve.
yeah, well, this is what's known as having too many sardines in a can.
Too many cooks in the kitchen.
Neil's taking a mess of wires back here and making it all purty.
Sort of.
I've
had the pleasure of doing work on 2 of those Sears houses.
Mm-hmm.
And
well, the wire chase
there's
is
not very many of them left.
coming along.
No. Not many Sears left.
This makes me happy.
Yeah, right.
This is like the home stretch right here when you get the wire. When you get the wire.
Oh, definitely gonna make it look prettier.
Yeah.
So Jax just added this air horn, and I gotta get one.